now we're gonna do the follow-up for the early day analysis that we did. We posted today. So if we look at the prices here at 3,531, that was our first support line. It did try to break it 2 times and it couldn't. And so if we look at this, and it's at that time it was 10 o'clock, so let's go check at 10 o'clock what has been happening at this level. So we were looking at these two right here mostly. Then it continued to try to break it, and it got very confusing in here. To most traders will probably start selling, given that it has been on a higher, very long buy. So this is where it can get very tricky. So you should not sell until it breaks either this support or this support. You start selling, then we are looking at this direction here. But since it didn't even break the first support line, we're still looking at the next resistance, which is still at the level of 3,555. And as soon as it breaks that level, it hits all the way back here, and then we're looking now currently at this level right here. So where does this price go from here? So first it needs to test this price. It needs to touch it, maybe go above it around this area here, or maybe here or here, somewhere around this along the way. But if it closes above this, then we're looking at higher levels. But since now the price is contained within this area, then we're looking at a rebound. Maybe it finishes around here for the next few hours, like small rebound here, confusion, create the confusion first, and then the price will be heading up toward whatever direction it takes. So if it breaks this level, then we're looking at the next support lines, low to mid to high support lines, and then we go to those levels. So if we put the 4-hour, then as you could see now, this level's right here. This level right here is 3,721, which it did already touch it, and it did close above it. That means it did break that, but then of course we expect the rebound. So the rebound happens here, and then if it breaks above, then we're looking at the higher level, which is 3,807. Let's go back to check all the way back to May. It's probably where the prices are holding it. Okay, I think we went too far, sorry about that. Yeah, so these are the levels that we're looking at. So now we're looking at this level, and it's gonna try to test at this level, which you can see we have to read 3,725, and then from that level we will be looking at the next one is around this level right here, which is 3,792, but I would prefer to have it around 3,780. If it breaks that, then it straight should go to the next support, but after a rebound, of course. So let's see what happens here, and we should probably yeah, as you can see, it's very respected now here. So because if it breaks it, then it goes up. So now I don't think it would break at this hour, maybe not, but I would expect it to. Let's look at the 30 minutes to just see where we headed with the price. Well, there is a high chance it might be closing in within this hour, but as of course this is now advice, it's fully up to you what you do. We're just analyzing on live. So let's see, it might break it, but if it breaks it, then we're looking at the next level, and then we be looking at this level right here, which is 3,860 more or less, or 3,850. But by the end of the video, you will have all the support lines and resistances posted. So that's pretty much it for today. Have a beautiful day or evening, depending on your time, and wish you a safe trading. Make sure to make some money, please. Alright.